So look at this problem. Implement the following Boolean expression using 16:1 multiplexer. So you need to implement the Boolean expression using 16:1 multiplexer. Okay. So first thing you should remember how the 16:1 multiplexer looks. 16:1 multiplexer means you will be having 16 data inputs and 4 control inputs in your circuit diagram. In your circuit diagram, you should have 16 data inputs and 4 control inputs and 1 output. That is 16:1 multiplexer. That's the first thing. Then look at the expression, Boolean expression. So f of a, b, c, d, given numbers lies less than 16. So you have f of a, b, c, d means the given expression is also in the form of 16:1. So when they ask you to construct or implement a Boolean expressions using 16:1 and the Boolean expression is also in the form of 16:1, so no need to write any table, just go with the circuit diagram. Okay, so make a, b, c, d as the data inputs, 1 output. Start from here 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 up to 15. Okay, so just whichever the numbers they are given, connected to VCC. So 0 is the one connected to VCC, 1 is the given connected to VCC. So remaining should be connected to ground. So 2 is not in the expression, connected to ground. 3 is connected to VCC, 4 is connected to VCC, 5 is connected to VCC, and 9 should be connected to VCC. 6, 7, 8, all of them should be connected to ground. So similarly, so whichever the min terms they are given, connected to VCC, whichever the min terms they are not given, missing, so connect them to ground. That's it. If the given expression is in the form of 16:1 and if they ask the same by implement by using 16:1, there is no point in condensing, there is no point in writing the table like this, reducing the 16 data inputs to 8, then constructing 8:1. So the given expression is already 16:1 and they were asked to implement in the 16:1 only. So write 16:1 multiplexer, 16 data inputs, 4 control inputs, 1 output directly. Okay. So implement the following Boolean function using 8:1 multiplexer. 8:1. So 8 data inputs, 1 output, 3 control inputs. 8:1. Look at the expression there again. So you know about how to solve this sort of expression, right? So we have 4 variables, means the given expression is in the form of 16:1, that is supposed to be condensed to 8:1 now. So they are asked to solve using 8:1. So what you're supposed to do is, what are the missing terms here? A bar, B, D bar, C plus C bar is missing here, plus A, C, D, B plus B bar is missing here. So B bar, C, D plus A bar is missing. So A plus A bar, C bar, D plus B bar is missing. So you know these things, right? Multiplying. So whatever the expression you're going to get, so just putting 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1 and getting the min terms. So then going with the remaining as it is. Okay, so that is one sort. So look at this. Implement the following Boolean function using 8:1 multiplexer, and the given expression is in the form of 16:1 because we have 4 variables. You need to have a notice here. What is here? There is not summation of m, it is pi of m. These are not min terms, these are max terms. What you are supposed to do is, so as usual, A, B, C, D, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, so up to 1, 1, 1, 1. Okay, so once I've done function, so whatever the max terms they can, fill those max terms with 0 as they given, put it as 0 in the 0, put it as 0. 3, where is 3 here? Put it as 0. So next 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 5 they are given max term, write 0. So the remaining filled with ones. So remaining just doing up to here is you need to concentrate. After that like grouping 2 rows as usual, comparing these two, remaining as it is what you have done so far. Okay, this is one type. Okay, so implement the following Boolean function with 8:1 multiplexer with A, B, D connected to the selection lines S2, S1, S0. implement the following Boolean function with 8:1 multiplexer. You need to implement the Boolean function using 8:1 multiplexer. 8:1 means 8 data inputs, 1 output, 3 control inputs with ABD. Okay, they have specified explicitly you are supposed to make ABD as the selection inputs. So selection inputs is nothing but control inputs. So which is missing then? Which variables we are supposed to make a map entered variable now? ABD as selection inputs means C as map entered variable. So then you are supposed to construct a table like ABD C. So 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 1. So this will be 2 to the power of 1, this will be 2 to the power of 0, this will be 2 to the power of 2, this will be 2 to the power of 3. So what is the value of this? This is the value of, this is 2 because 2 to the power of 1 is nothing but 2, right? This is 1. 0 0 1 0 means what is the value of this? 1. So this is 1. So don't read this as 1, don't read this as 2. This is inverse because C comes here, D comes this side. You are not supposed to make mistake here. They have explicitly specified ABD as the selection input, S2, S0, S0. So then you are supposed to write like this will be ABD and S2, S1, S0, remaining as it is, what we did in the previous problems.